Hello, thank you for purchasing the ribbon splicer. When you open your case, this is what you have inside the case. Let's go check each items. First you'll see fusion splicer. And then thermal stripper. Okay. And cleaver. Let's turn on the fusion splicer first by pressing this power button. When you turn on the machine, this screen is the first thing you see. It's set to a single mode 12 ribbon fiber. And if you want to change this mode, you can press this button. And then you can touch fusion mode. You can change the fusion mode to SM Auto or like SM10. This is the 10 count ribbon fiber. If you want to go to the next page, hit this arrow button. And if you want to selecting this group mode, you can select group select here. Okay, this means you changed. If you go back to by pressing this menu button here, you change to SM10, right? But if you're splicing SM12 ribbon fiber, you need to go back to SM12, right? Single mode 12 ribbon fiber. So go back to by pressing this menu button and then go to fusion mode, select fiber type and select SM12, go to next page, hit group select. Okay, now go back to our main menu, go to our operation screen. This is the operation screen. So it's set to single mode 12 fiber. And next, this is the thermal stripper. To turn on, you press this button. And by pressing this temperature button and press and hold, you'll see the remaining battery. So this means it's fully charged. When it's fully charged or the battery is more than 80% remaining, you will not be able to charge it to save the battery lifespan. Okay, and when you open the lid, you'll see a little metal slide. This, what it does is, if you want to strip 900 micron jacket, you need to slide down so you can get the wider space between the blade, because this jacket is thick, so it doesn't break the fiber. But since you are splicing this ribbon, you need to slide up so you don't get extra space between the blades. Okay, so slide up for ribbon fiber, slide down for 900 micron fiber. Let's do splice ribbon fiber. Okay, when you open it, you'll have two fiber holders. Place the ribbon fiber about 1.5 inches. Right, about 1.5 inches. And then place it. Ideal position is between these screws here. Right? Okay. Wait until you hear the beep and then press down and now you need to clean it. And then try to dry the fiber. Okay, and then cleave it. You need to remove this universal fiber holder, and tool is in this box. On the left side of the box, you can take out this tool right here, and then unscrew. Okay. When we ship out this unit, we'll pre-remove this holder, so you don't have to worry about removing it. Okay, let's cleave the fiber. Press. And then, okay. place it on the one side, and then the other side, 1.5 inch out. Okay, and then close it. And you can change the temperature level. See, the lowest temperature, the second highest. I normally use level 3, so. And close it and wait for the beep. Then, okay. Then clean the fiber. And dry out. Okay. And cleave it, press. Okay. And then, boom. Okay. I placed 2 fiber holders. It looks good. This is the Arc Power 106. Okay, loss is very good. And if you wanna see different camera view, you can select this arrow button. And you can see the result data. And it's very good. It's well spliced. Let's open it. Okay. Protection sleeve is also included. Just do okay. Make sure the splicing point is in the middle. Open it and just drop it down, and it starts itself. Okay. Okay, let's see. The current heater mode is heating time is 32 seconds. Temperature is set to 365 Fahrenheit. Okay, let's take it out. Let's see. Okay. All right, it melted well. You can put this one in the cooling tray here. All right, in here, cooling tray. All right. So this is the how you splice the ribbon splicer. And if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll answer all the questions as soon as possible. And arc calibration. For arc calibration, you can just place the 2 fibers here, ribbon fibers, and then run the calibration until you see the calibration is okay. If you press the shortcut, first thing you see is a fusion start. If it's set to auto, it'll start splicing when you close the cover. You can change it to manual, but auto is convenient. And there are other menus, options. Let's see. And then fusion mode, fiber type, pause on gapping. If you select pause on gapping, it'll stop before splice. And also, if you wanna see other menu settings, battery safe mode, tension test, we recommend uncheck all these. And then maintenance. It's very much intuitive, so you can just read the menus, you'll understand what it is. And then arc calibration. When you want to replace this electrodes, select this, and then you can follow the direction, and then you can replace the electrodes. Okay, let's go back to main menu. Heater, you can change the heater type. If you want to change to a 60 millimeter, you can also change the menus, the temperature, heating temperature, and currently it's set to Celsius. And if you want to select this group, you select this group select, right? But since I don't want to change it, so I'll just exit. Okay, and then temperature, you can change it to a Fahrenheit. Show temperature means it'll show the temperature on the screen, so I'll just turn it off. Okay, and on the information, you'll see all the information: serial number, remaining battery, inner temperature, software version, hardware version. Okay, all right.